m plus 13 is equal 13. I have to find value of m. What I have to do, I'm going to move positive 13 to the right side of my equation. And I'm going to have m equals 13 minus 13. Remember, we have to change the sign anytime we move the number or variable to the other side of the equal sign when rest of the equation stays at the original positions. And I'm going to have m equals 13 minus 13 is equal 0. This is the solution to my problem. Let's verify my answer by replacing this m by this 0. And I'm going to have 0 plus 13 equals 13. 0 plus 13 is equal 13. 13 is equal 13. The left side is equal to the right side. That's why this is the correct answer to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. I have to find the value of m. I'm going to move this negative 31 to the right side of the equal sign. And I'm going to have m equals negative 34 plus 31. Negative 34 plus 31. I have to add negative number to positive. Anytime you perform this kind of operation, you're supposed to subtract from the bigger number, smaller number, and keep the sign of the larger number. So I'm going to have m equals 34 minus 31 is 3, and keep the sign which is next to the larger number. I have minus 3. This is the solution to my problem. And now let's verify the answer by replacing this m by negative 3. So I'm going to have negative 3 minus 31 equals negative 34. Negative 3 and negative 31 is negative 34 equals negative 34. Left side is equal to the right side. That's why this is the correct answer to my problem.